Hello, friends. How are you? I think you all are excellent now. Here, I'm going to show you that the nature takes excellent look now, wears a festive look, and the wind is blowing, the sky, the cloud, all things are excellent, and I'm feeling the need of expressing to you. Friends, I'm on the top roof of my building, not my building, the building of my college, as I am lecturer of this college, and I am on the top of my college building. Uh, now the nature is so nice, and this environment is forcing me to take the video and expressing it to you. And as the college is beside a road and so many vehicles are running. Okay, thank you very much.